Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today it's our second lecture of Unit 2 Cell Division. But before starting our next topic, I would like to recall some main points of yesterday's lecture. What is a cell? What is a cell? A cell is the building block of the body. All living organisms are made up of cells that can only be seen with the help of a microscope. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the body that performs all the functions of our body. What is its structure? A cell is made up of a nucleus. A wall around it is known as cell membrane. A genetic material present in nucleus known as chromosomes, and a small bodies known as centrioles. Nucleus is very important part of a cell because it controls all the activities of the cell. It is also known as brain. Nucleus is also known as brain of the cell. What is cell division? Cell division is a process by which a cell divides into two daughter cells. The cells which divides is called parent cell, and the cells which are produced as a result of cell division are called daughter cells. The next important question is, what is interphase? Before cell divides, parent cell passes through a phase called interphase. During interphase, chromosomes in the nucleus are duplicated. It means that copies of all the chromosomes are developed before cell divides. Next question is, what are two phases of cell division, that is nuclear division and cytokinesis? What is nuclear division? Nuclear division is the division of nucleus which is followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. What are different types of cell division? There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Now let's discuss our today's topic, that is mitosis. In 1880s, a German biologist observed that in a dividing cell, nucleus passes through a series of changes which is called mitosis. माइटोसिस क्या है? माइटोसिस सेल डिवीजन की एक टाइप है जिसमें न्यूक्लियस डिफरेंट स्टेजेस या आप कह सकते हैं कि मुख्तलिफ चेंजेस प्रोड्यूस होते हैं न्यूक्लियस के अंदर, जिसको माइटोसिस कहते हैं. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ सेल डिवीजन in which a cell divides into two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as were present in parent cell. ये सेल डिवीजन की एक ऐसी टाइप है जिसमें जब सेल डिवाइड होकर टू डॉटर सेल्स में तकसीम हो जाता है तो हर डॉटर सेल में नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स उतने ही मौजूद होते हैं जितने के पेरेंट सेल में मौजूद होते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर पेरेंट सेल में 2 क्रोमोसोम्स मौजूद हैं तो इसके नतीजे में जो 2 न्यू डॉटर सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे उन 2 न्यू डॉटर सेल्स के अंदर भी 2 क्रोमोसोम्स मौजूद होंगे. लेट्स डिस्क्राइब माइटोसिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम. अगेन, व्हाट इज माइटोसिस? Mitosis is a process of cell division during which parent cell divides into two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. The number of chromosomes doubled during interphase. As you can see here that this is a parent cell and it has only 2 chromosomes, but after division, after going through the interphase, it has 2 sets of chromosomes, and after interphase it comes nuclear division. During mitosis, when nucleus of parent cell divides, the 2 sets of chromosomes are distributed equally in the daughter nuclei. As you can see here that these are the 2 sets of chromosomes, but after nuclear division it is distributed equally into 2 daughter nuclei. After nuclear division, a shallow groove arises in the middle of the cytoplasm which deepens further and divides the cell into 2 daughter cells, each having a nucleus. Now at the end of the mitosis, students, you can see that each daughter cell is having the same number of chromosomes as were present in the parent cell. Let's describe importance of mitosis in our daily life. The first is development and growth. The number of cells within an organism increase by mitosis. This is the basis of the development of a multicellular body from a single cell. The next is cell replacement. Red blood cells have short lifespan, about 4 months, and new red blood cells are formed by mitosis. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हमारी बॉडी में जो रेड ब्लड सेल्स की जो लाइफ है तकरीबन 4 मंथ है. आफ्टर 4 months, these red blood cells are replaced by new red blood cells, and these red blood cells are formed by cell replacement and are formed by mitosis. The next is regeneration. Some organisms can regenerate parts of their bodies. For example, sea stars regenerates its lost arm through mitosis. इसकी एक और बहुत कॉमन एग्जाम्पल आप अपने घरों में भी देखते होंगे. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि बाज लिजर्ड्स जो हैं, अगर उनकी टेल कट जाए तो कुछ दिनों के बाद उनकी वो टेल वापिस आ जाती है. दैट इज ड्यू टू माइटोसिस. माइटोसिस के प्रोसेस से गुजरने के बाद उनकी टेल खुद ब खुद रीजनरेट हो जाती है, एंड दैट इज डन बाय माइटोसिस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आर topic of mitosis ends. I hope you will get every and each point clearly.
1.
Students, this is your homework. You have to define mitosis and explain it with the help of diagram. Please draw diagram neat and clean on your notebooks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.